and welcome back. So in the previous lesson, we started our journey with one of the most powerful libraries of Python, that is the Pandas library. In this lecture, we will look at some of the most common file formats that are used for data storage and operations. We will be using some of these formats through this course. So it is very essential that you have a basic understanding of these formats. Trust me, they will be very useful. So let us get started. The first file format is Microsoft Excel proprietary format, XLSX. XLSX files are the standard extension for the modern Microsoft Excel spreadsheet files. They are used to analyze and organize data. They contain numerical data separated by rows and columns within a cell. It is a modern, updated version of the original Excel file format. XLSX document file types are necessary for companies with large amounts of data that require organization. By seeing a layout of data within organized rows and columns, users gain valuable insight into the purpose and meaning of the data portrayed. It is very easy to read the XLSX extension file using Pandas. This is just one type of dataset format. We have many more. Let us proceed further. Next file format is CSV format, that is, comma separated values. A CSV file is a delimited text file that uses a comma to separate values. Each line of the file is a data record. Each record consists of one or more fields separated by commas. The use of the comma as a field separator is the source of the name for this file format. A CSV file typically stores tabular data, that is numbers and text, in plain text, in which case each line will have the same number of fields. Let us look at a CSV file example. This is how we store data in a CSV file. Well, that was easy, right? Let us move on and learn about another type of file format, that is JSON. Full form of JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is text written with JavaScript object notation. Text can be read and used as a data format by any programming language. JSON is an open standard file format and data interchange format that uses human readable text to store and transmit data objects consisting of attribute value pairs and array data types. It is a very common data format with a diverse range of applications. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format. It is self-describing and easy to understand. And JSON is also a language-independent data format. Reading a JSON file format using Pandas is also very easy. We will learn about it in the upcoming lessons. Moving on, the next file format is HDFS file format. Hadoop Distributed File System, or HDFS, is a distributed file system designed for large-scale data processing where scalability, flexibility, and performance are critical. Hadoop works in a master architecture to store data in HDFS and is based on the principle of storing very large fields. Like other file systems, HDFS also has the concept of block as the minimum amount of data that can be read and written. While in other file systems, the blocks are usually a few kilobytes, the default size of an HDFS block is 128 MB. Hadoop, like any standard file system, allows you to store information in any format, whether structured, semi-structured, or unstructured data. In addition, it also provides support for optimized formats for storage and processing in HDFS. So we will learn about handling HDFS files in the upcoming lessons. Moving on, the next file format is SAS. SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System. SAS dataset is basically an SAS file that is created and processed by SAS. This type of dataset is organized in the form of rows and columns inside a table. But in the SAS terminology, rows are called observations and columns are SAS variables. It is very easy to read an SAS file in the Jupyter Notebook using Pandas library. But as I have already mentioned that we will learn about reading different files using Pandas in the upcoming lessons. So moving on, the next file format is SPSS. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. It is a widely used program for statistical analysis in social sciences. It is also used by market researchers, health researchers, survey companies, the government, and others. This type of dataset has .sav file extension. We can easily read them into the Jupyter Notebook. So guys, that is it for this lesson. We looked at various file formats and what they are popularly used for. We will meet soon in the next lesson where we will learn about handling flat files. Till then, please stay tuned and keep learning. Bye.